This is extra example number 2. So we're looking at an equation that we want to solve. So we've got d squared equal to 4. So this is a variable squared equation. So in order to undo the square, we're going to take the square root. So that's the opposite operation. So we're going to square root both sides. That's you showing your work here. And then what's the square root of d squared? That's just d, because I'm asking, hey, what times itself is d squared? Well, d squared is just equal to d times d. So that means that when I take the square root of d squared, I'm just asking, hey, what's being multiplied by itself here? And that's d. So d is our answer there. Equals, on the right side, square root of 4, you all should know, is 2, but it's also negative 2, because in the original equation, I'm asking for all the possibilities since it's an equation. So I have to consider that there are 2 answers. There are 2 answers because positive 2 times positive 2 is positive 4, but also negative 2 times negative 2 is also positive 4. So there's 2 answers. However, if the square root was already written, if I just had sitting there for you to tell me what the square root of 4 was, you would just say positive 2, because remember, that's the principal square root. Or if I said, hey, what's the negative of the square root of 4? So like, what's the opposite of square root of 4? Well, square root of 4 is 2, so the opposite of square root of 4 is negative 2. So here I wanted the negative root, here I wanted the positive or the principal square root. When we add the square root, when we're solving an equation, we do all the possibilities. Here, it's only one or the other. So this has 2 answers, d is equal to 2 and d is equal to negative 2. And that's it for extra example number 2.